Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Asana on PC in today's digital workflow. Managing tasks efficiently is important and Asana is one of the most powerful tools to achieve that. Asana helps you organize projects, assign tasks, collaborate with teams and track progress all from a clean and structured interface on your PC. In this detailed script, we'll walk through every important section and icon so you can fully understand how to use Asana step by step. To begin with, first you need to open to your browser on your device. And in the top, there's an address bar. Type on asana.com and enter it. And once you get to this Asana website, once there you can sign up using your email or Google account. Here, what you can do is you can simply select to this get started over here. And here, what you can do is you can simply type down your work email here as well or continue, or you can simply continue with your Google Work account as well. So here, what you need to do is you need to open to your Gmail account. And here you can find this confirmation email address. Simply copy this and you can paste it over here. So here you need to set up to your name here as well and a password and select get started. So here you need to also personalize to your job title. So once you get into this dashboard of your Asana over here, the interface is divided into three main parts: the left sidebar, the top navigation bar, and the central workspace over here. Starting with the left sidebar, this is your main navigation area. And at the very top here, you'll find this workspace organization name here as well. And you'll also go to find this home here. Home takes you to activity overview where you can see the updates, recent task and recommendation. And next is my tasks. Under this, my task often shows the check mark for clipboard symbol. This section is a personal task manager. Every task assigned you to across different project appears here. Tasks are usually organized by due date, making it easy to prioritize your work. Below that, you'll find this inbox here icon as well. The inbox is where all the notifications appear. This includes task assignment, comments, mentions, and updates from a team. Clicking end notification will open that related task, instantly allowing you to respond or take action. And the next important is the projects as well. Under this project, you'll find this usually shown as a folder grid. This is where all your projects are stored. When you click this project, you can see the existing ones or create a new project here as well, involving name it, choosing a layout such as list or board view, and optionally use a template. And under this project here, you may see the reporting or dashboard icon often displayed as chart, work such as, and this section provides insight into your work such as task completion rates and progress tracking. It is especially used for the terms or managers who want to monitor performance. And over here, you'll also find this plus icon for the new project here to create, usually marked with a plus icon. This is one of the most important controls. Clicking it allows you to create new task projects, messages, or portfolios quickly from anywhere in the app. Now let's move to the top navigation bar. On the top here, you'll find this search icon here, represented by a magnifying glass. This allows you to quickly find task, project, or messages by typing keywords. It is very useful when you have many items in your workspace. And next to it, you may find this help icon here, often shown as a question mark. Clicking this opens to support resources, guides, and tutorials to help you understand features or solve problems. And on the left hand side, you'll also find this inbox, which is also a notification. This shows the real-time alerts such as mentions, deadlines. It works as alongside the inbox but gives you quick access to the recent updates. And beside here, you'll find this your profile icon, which displays your profile or initials. Clicking it opens account settings where you can manage your profile, change password, adjust notification settings, and log out here as well. Now focusing on the main workspace, this is where your tasks and project appear. When you open a project, you will see a task arranged in sections at the top project. So in order to create your first project here, in the left hand side, click onto this new project here as well and select to this new project or new portfolio as per your preferences here. Under this, you can simply create with AI. You can also select the workflow built for all of the items, or you can simply select this blank project in the top right corner here, and you can type down your project name, your project access if you want to. If you want to set up with an Asana AI, you can do that as well, and you can simply continue it. And you can also select the choose view for project. You can select the overview, board, dashboard, and you can also select the popular here as well. And after you're done, click onto this create project on the bottom here, and this is where all the tasks and project appear in this middle section. Where you open a project, you will see a task arranged in sections. At the top of the project, there are such as list view, board view, timeline, or dashboard here as well. And each of these icons are sometimes represented in a different way of visualizing a task. This list view shows task in row, board view shows them as a card, so you can drag the calendar view, displays deadline, and the timeline view shows a schedule. Inside the project, each task appears as a row or card. Here, clicking on task opens a detailed panel. The assign icon here allows you to assign the task to yourself or a team member. The due date icon beside it here, usually a calendar symbol, lets you set deadlines. The attachment icon shows it's a paper clip, allows you to upload files. The Substack icon helps bring the Substack over here under this field, help you break the task into a smaller step. The comment section over here, another most important feature is the customize button in the top right here as well. You may find this usually at the top right of your project. This allows you to add files, enable apps, or create automation rules. Automation, sometimes represented by a lightning or gear icon, can automatically move tasks or assign them based on the conditions. When working with multiple projects, you can switch between them using the project section in the sidebar. This ensures smooth navigation across different workflows. Finally, when you are done using Asana, especially on a shared computer, and on the left hand side, we'll find this under the insights, this option for the reporting. This icon is usually represented by a chart at the graph symbol and can be found in the sidebar or within project dashboard. The reporting section provides a visual overview of the work progress, and when you click on it, you can see the data. You can see the data such as completed tasks, pending works, deadlines, and overall performance. It may include charts, progress bars, and summaries. This feature is especially useful for the managers or the team leaders because it helps track productivity and identify delays. Instead of checking each task manually, the report tool gives you a clear snapshot of how your projects are performing. And next is your portfolio over here. Portfolio allows you to group multiple projects together in one place. You can think of it as a higher level organization tool. And when you open portfolios over here, you'll see a list of projects along with the status, progress, percentage, and deadlines. And this is very helpful if you are managing several projects at once. For example, a company manager can monitor different team projects without opening each one individually. Portfolio helps you stay organized and make better decisions by giving a big picture view as well. Now let's look at the goal on the left hand side. The goal feature connects a daily task the long-term objectives. You can create goals such as complete project by the end of the month or increase productivity here as well. When those tasks are completed, your goal progress and updates. Over here, you can also type down the goal title here for the time period. Here, you can select the time period, and after that, you can continue in the bottom right as well. The goal section helps keep everyone aligned and focus on important outcomes rather than just individual tasks. It is especially useful in team environments where direction and purpose are important. And finally, the logout option. And the logout option ensures your account safety security. To log out, click onto your profile icon in the top right here and click onto this logout. And after that, then you will safely sign out of your account. This step is very important when using the shared or public computer to prevent unauthorized access. Asana on PC provides a well-structured and intuitive interface filled with powerful icons and tools from the home and inbox icons to task-level controls like due dates. And once you become familiar with these icons and their functions, managing tasks and projects become much easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.